We have a follow-up out of the Capitol. State police push the importance of the move-over law on a daily basis. Now, the punishment for violating it became a lot stricter.
Governor Pritzker signed a bill today amending the original Scott's law. The end goal is to keep you safe. WCI3's Cole Henke is in our Capitol newsroom. Cole, so what kind of changes does this new bill make?
All of the fines and penalties with Scott's Law have increased. Today I spoke with local first responders to see what kind of effects they think this could have on drivers. It's something almost every state trooper has had to deal with in their career, having a close call on the road.
I've had ones where I've had to basically crawl onto the car to keep from getting hit.
Illinois' move-over law has been in effect since 2002, but for the first time since then, the penalties have been raised. First-time offenders will be fined $250 instead of $100. Repeat offenders will be fined $750.
Hopefully that's a deterrent, but part of this legislation puts money into a fund for a Scott's Law fund for driver educational materials. So hopefully we can educate the public as to why this law is in place.
Before signing the bill today, Governor Pritzker called on people to not endanger the lives of law enforcement by driving distracted.
The people of Illinois get to live their lives because law enforcement officials go to work each day risking theirs.
State police have spent this entire year educating the public on the importance of Scott's Law. The push began after 2 troopers were killed as a result of Scott's Law violations only days apart. While not every driver gets over, first responders are seeing some changes on the highway.
Driving an ambulance, I still see some people, I don't know if they're just not listening, go ahead and pull out. So we always have to be aware of, what they're doing. But highways and things, driving back and forth to work, I've noticed a lot more people pulling over.
It seems, in my experience, it seems to be getting better, but until everybody moves over, it's not going to be safe for any of us on the road.
ISP is hoping that with the increased penalties and these new educational materials, moving over on the highway will become second nature. All of the effects from this bill go into effect immediately. Jennifer?
All right, thank you, Cole.